It's been here for other 2-3 hours, even more, and it's been like 4th time I already did it. So let's see what is the final. It's removed. It's actually not, still a little bit liquid. It's not dry completely. So let's leave it here. So let's remove all the other resin. You see, it's yeah, it's actually getting better and better each time I'm doing it. Yeah, as you can see, it's really hard to focus, but as you can probably see, this is the small that right here. So I will try to let it dry for a little bit, and let's apply the 5th time. Yeah, here it's really visible. So, but it's much better when it used to be. Let's do one more shot.